Hi, welcome to another tutorial. Today you will learn how to create trains in the source engine. So I've made a basic room here, and the first thing I'm going to do is create a train, our little brushed-based train here. And then I use the cutting tool to cut it out so we can see what is facing forward, because you have to make sure that it's facing east in the top viewport, because that will be the front direction. So press Ctrl T with it selected to tie it to an entity. Make it a func_track train. I'm going through all the options here. First stop target, I'll go through that later. Max speed is of course the maximum speed. I'll change the initial speed to 100 because I want it to start moving when it spawns. These are all just self-explanatory tuning things, so I'm not going to go through them. Bank angle turns changes how much it leans in the turns. Damage and crush, self-explanatory. And here we have a bunch of sound thingies. They're also self-explanatory. But then we have the manual train speed, also self-explanatory. So I'll go on to the flags instead. No pitch means that it won't rotate upwards or downwards if it's going upwards or downwards. No user control will mean that the user can't control it, because by default you can press E while on it to control it. Passable means that you can go through it. Fixed orientation means that it won't turn in any direction at all. HL1 train, I don't know what that does, but it sounds retro. Use max speed for pitch shifting move sound. I think that does what it says. And this last one too. So let us create the path that our train will take through our game world. I'm going to create a path _track entity and then go into its properties. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to call it track 1. Next stop target will be the next stop target in this path. The branch path thingy is for adding like a secondary path that the train can take. I won't go through this in this tutorial. More info there in the help box. New train speed, if you want the train to switch speed when it goes past this path track. Path radius is for NPC stuff, so I won't go through that. And the orientation type is pretty much self-explanatory. Now comes the flags. Disabled, it will spawn disabled and you will have to enable it via input. Fire once, I have no idea what that does. Branch reverse, it will go the branch path if the train is reversing. Disabled train, that disables the train controls. Teleport to this path track, it will teleport to this path track. So now I'm gonna copy this by holding shift and dragging with my left mouse button. When I do this, the editor changes the name value and the next stop target value of the entities to match up, so you won't have to do that on your own. Now I'm just going to link the last path track to the first one, and then we have a nice loop that the train will go round and round. Oh, before I compile, I just gotta change a value in the track train here. First stop target is gonna be track 1. Notice where the train is right now. And now that we run the map, you will notice that the train is actually teleported to the first track. And then it moves along the path there. Rate, comment, subscribe and send me your tutorial requests. I'll put the download link to the VMF file in the sidebar. So thanks for watching and have a nice day.